In this video, we are going to solve a nice geometry problem. Here, we have a right angle triangle in which this angle is 90 degree and this side length is 31 unit, and we need to calculate area of this right angle triangle such that all sides of this right angle triangle is an integer. If you know the method to solve this question, then please write your answer in comment box. Let's suppose this side length is A and this side length is B. Here A is opposite side length of this right angle. It means this side length A is hypotenuse of this right angle. Now we can say A is greater than B because hypotenuse is longest side of right angle triangle. Now if we apply Pythagoras theorem in this triangle, then we know that Pythagoras theorem is square of hypotenuse. This is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Here hypotenuse in this triangle is A. So A square, this is equals to perpendicular is this B. So here B square plus, and base is this 31. So here 31 square. Now in left hand side A square and this B square, if we take in left hand side, then this is minus B square and this is equals to 31 square. In left hand side we have difference between two squares, that is A plus B times A minus B, and this is equals to 31 square is 961. A and B are represent side length of this right angle triangle. It means A and B both are greater than 0. Now we can say if A and B are two integers, and we know that sum of two integers is always an integer, and if A and B are integers, then difference between two integers is always an integers, and we know that A is greater than B. It means we can say A plus B is greater than A minus B. Left hand side A plus B times A minus B, and right hand side is 961. In left hand side we have factors. So first we make right hand side factors. 961. Factor of 961 is 1 times 961. 961 times 1 and 31 times 31. Here we have three cases. Let's say this is case number first, and this is case number second, and this is case number third. But we know that A plus B cannot equal to A minus B. So that's why this third case is rejected. And A plus B, here A plus B is greater than A minus B. It means this first case is also rejected. So here we have only second case, that is A plus B, this is equals to 961, and A minus B, this is equals to 1. If we add both the equations, then this plus B and this minus B is cancel out. A plus A is 2 times A. This is equals to 961 plus 1, that is 962. Here 2 times A, this is equals to 962. If we divide both sides 2, then in left hand side this 2 and this 2 is cancel out. Then value of A is 962 is divided by 2, then we get 481. We have A minus B, this is equals to 1. A minus B, this is equals to 1. And we know that value of A is 481. So this A is replaced by 481 minus B, this is equals to 1. Then 481, if this 1, if we take in left hand side, then this is minus 1. And this is equals to this minus B. If we take right hand side, then here B. Then value of B is 480. Now we know that we need to calculate area of this right angle triangle. Here base is 31 and height of this right angle triangle is 480, and we know that area of right angle triangle is 1/2 base times height. So 1/2 base is 31 times height is 482. Then this 480 is divided by 2, then we get 240, and 240 is multiplied by 31, then we get 7440 square unit. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.